Sitting in a honky-tonk joint, feeling kinda gassy, but I gotta let it out and hope it won't be flashy. Tried to hold it in, whisper to my heart, but when it came out, oh man, it ripped like a chainsaw. I tried to let it slip out, a little silent and discreet, but instead it exploded like a firework in the street. The sound was so loud it echoed across the room. Everybody turned around looking for the sonic boom. Fire like a chainsaw, nearly crapping my pants, just trying to pass some gas, but it blew up like a trance. Now I'm standing here embarrassed as can be, praying silently this moment will set me free.